You think finding time to learn English is too hard, right? You wake up, work, eat, sleep, and repeat. So, where can you practice English? But what if you could speak English, well, just by making small changes to things you already do? In this video, I will show you how to turn your normal day into English practice time without adding extra minutes. This is not about finding 2 hours you don't have. It's about using the time that's already there. The secret to speaking well is not studying a lot at one time. It's practicing a little every day. Small, daily practice is much better than one long study time. We will add a small English practice to something you already do, like brushing your teeth or making coffee. You don't need more time. You just need to use your time differently. By the end of this video, you will have a simple plan to add English into your day. Your morning, the first 15 minutes. Let's start with the morning. The alarm rings, you go to the bathroom, you get ready. It feels like there is no time, but there is. While you brush your teeth or take a shower, that's 5 to 10 minutes. Listen to a short English news report or podcast. Just listen. You don't have to understand every word. The goal is to wake up your ears to English sounds before your day gets busy. As you get ready, talk out loud in simple English. Say, I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. It feels strange at first, but it works. You are connecting words to real actions. As you feel better, describe more. I turn off my alarm. I get up. Now I am making coffee. You're practicing words like wake up and get dressed without trying hard. This turns your morning into a language lesson. And it took 0 extra time. On your way to work, you've had your coffee and it's time to go. For many of us, the trip to work is wasted time. Let's change that. Instead of your normal music, choose an English podcast you like. If you love cooking, find a podcast about food. If you like sports, find one about sports. When you're interested in the topic, it doesn't feel like studying. Try to learn one new phrase from each episode. Just one. Here's something that changes everything: shadowing. Listen to a sentence, then repeat it right away. Try to copy the speaker's sound. If you're in your car, this is perfect. If you're on a bus, you can say it quietly. This helps your mouth learn how to make English sounds naturally. You can also describe your trip. I usually take the bus to work. Sometimes I see a lot of traffic. This is real English for your real life. Your lunch break. Your breaks should give your brain a rest. So our changes here need to be easy and fun. For just 10 minutes during lunch, change your phone language to English. Open the apps you normally use. See words like settings, messages, and calendar in English. After 10 minutes, you can switch back. You're learning useful words that are already part of your life. Instead of looking at social media, use 5 minutes to read something short in English. Read a sports story, a movie review, or a short news article. Think of it as a 5-minute language snack. You're giving your brain small pieces of English without getting tired. Before we talk about your evening, if you're finding these small changes helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps me make more videos like this one. Before we talk about how you can change your evening, if you're finding these small changes helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells me you want more videos like this one. Your evening at home. You're home, you're tired, and you don't want to study hard. Let's add English into your relaxing time. As you're cooking dinner or washing dishes, continue the talking practice from the morning. Say, I am chopping the onions. Now I am adding some salt. You can even put sticky notes on things. Put fridge on the fridge, sink on the sink. Every time you use something, you'll see the English word. You want to watch a show to relax. This is perfect for practice. For easy mode, watch in your language, but turn on English subtitles. You'll learn new words without trying. Ready for hard mode? Switch the audio to English. Pick a show you've already seen. Because you know the story, you won't get lost. You can focus on the language, the words they use, the natural way they speak. You're relaxing and learning at the same time. Before you sleep, just 2 minutes. Weary at the end of the day. There's one last change to remember everything you learned. Take 2 minutes and write 1 or 2 simple sentences in English about your day. That's it. It could be, today, I went to work by bus. I listened to an English podcast. Or, I learned the word chop while I was cooking. This simple act helps your brain remember what you learned. It also helps you practice writing. And by talking about your day, you naturally practice the past tense. We didn't add extra time to your day. We just used the time you already had differently. You turned your morning into listening and speaking practice. You turned your trip to work into a practice session. You used your lunch break for quick practice and reading. You changed your evening cooking and TV time into vocabulary and listening practice. And you remembered it all with a 2-minute journal before bed. Each of these changes might only be 5 or 10 minutes. But when you add them up, you have easily added over an hour of English practice into your day. The most important thing is to do it every day. You don't have to be perfect. Just start. Remember, simple English, practice daily becomes good English. Now I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, pick just one of these changes and try it. Just one. Then come back and leave a comment telling me which one you chose and how it went. I read every comment, and I really want to hear your story. You can do it. You can speak English well. The time is already in your day. Now go and use it. Subscribe for more helpful tips, and I'll see you in the next video.